Hey there, my name is Alexa. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, actually welcome if you're new, just in general, I'm doing an update to my Partners in Cream project. This is the May update, obviously, and I'm going to talk about the products and how it's going, which is pretty well. This project was created by Steph Lyons and Guerlain, Outward Processing, here on YouTube. I will link them down below along with the hashtag so that you can go ahead and follow along other creators and just also people who are not on YouTube who are also doing this project. So the concept of this project, I'm sure you already know, is to use as many non-powder products up. I guess in a roll-in fashion, you are tackling 3 to 5 products or 3 to 7. I can't remember. I guess you can just kind of adapt it to your own. The first product I have to update you guys on is this NARS Pro Prime Eyeshadow Smudge Proof Primer. This was used a total of 13 times in the month of May, well, leading up to May 10th actually, so April 10th to May 10th. I have a total of 49 uses down for the entire year. It has gone down 1 gram this month. It's still going. I mean, I try to put a bit under my eyes and a bit on my lids. Lately I haven't been doing the under eye trick as much, so I think I'm going to get back onto that. I need to remind myself to definitely put it under the eyes because that can just kind of quicken the use up process of this. The next product I have is the MAC Paint Pot in Painterly. From April 10th to May 10th, I used it 13 times and a total of 53 times in this project, basically. And it has gone down 0 grams in all updates. I'm not surprised. I know that the glass packaging weighs much more than the product, and since I don't have decimal points on my scale, I don't expect to see anything substantial, but I do try to wear this underneath my eyeshadow anytime I wear eyeshadow, obviously. So although I don't wear makeup every day or eyeshadow looks every day, I try to at least apply this each time that I do. And then I have the next item, which I'm really happy to say that I think it's not going to last as long as I forecasted in my previous update. That next item is the Guerlain gold primer, and I've talked about this. I don't really think it's worth the money at all. It's a moisturizing primer. I've used it 15 times in this month, and it has a total of 56 uses. I have gone down 8 grams this month, and the reason for that is I've just been wearing it with my moisturizer on a few of the days that I didn't wear makeup at all or didn't wear eyeshadow at all, so that kind of helped me with my usage. So I think maybe I could finish this by the next update, because look at it, it's not that much. So we'll see what I can do by June. Following that, we have the Makeup Forever HD Foundation, the Stick Ultra HD form, I guess. And this I used 13 times. I used it a total of 50 times so far in this project, and it has gone down 1 gram, which is an improvement because last month I didn't even go down 1 gram. So there's saying something, I guess. So between March 10th and May 10th, it has gone down 1 gram, technically, right? Because I'm thinking cumulative here, since my scale is in no way, shape, or form showing me the decimals, right? So I just don't know when exactly that switch happened, but it did. It happened this month. I had this in a project in 2019, and I was really trying to get through this, and it didn't happen, but this year. So I'm sure this comes to no surprise to those of you who are following my updates. I finished the Clarins Lip Perfector. Now this lip primer I have been using, I started using it new in 2020 in the beginning, so that is how long it has taken to use up, basically a year and 5 months. And the reason for that is I don't wear makeup every day, so I just try to apply this before I use any lipstick. This actually went down 1 gram this month, which is weird, but sometimes the scale like dilly-dallies between 18 and 19 grams. I used it 10 times in this month, but I used it a total of 43 times in this project specifically, and I'm very happy to roll this out. And the roll-in, I decided because, okay, wait, let me explain. I had basically said I regretted not putting the Lancome lip liner that I've been using pretty much anytime I've worn lipstick to this project, but in a way I'm happy I didn't, because there is less than an inch left of that pencil, and I feel like it would be a little bit too much of a gimme since I'm going to finish it regardless of whether I add it to a project or not. And I've also been very diligently using the Clarins setting spray that I have, which is the Fix and Makeup, which has a very floral scent, I guess you could say, and really pretty packaging. It honestly, it looks like a perfume. It's so pretty. But those products are things that I've just naturally gravitated towards and have just been using up for the sake of doing it and not even having them in a project. So because of that, I decided to go along with a few of the other suggestions, which were to roll in the Charlotte Tilbury Beach Stick in Formentera. So I received this in PR quite a while back, and it was in a sort of little bag. They were like these gift bags to create your own makeup look or something a while back, and I remember feeling bad that I hadn't done videos on those specific PR products. I think I only posted about them on Instagram, and then but now, you know, I'm getting to use it. I'm actually getting use out of it. So I have been using it over the last month anyways, but I just wanted to show you guys how much is in here. This color in particular is really flattering, especially for summer months, so I'm going to enjoy it on the cheeks, and it would work really well on the lips as well. I've actually used it as lipstick too, so that is great. I'm really looking forward to using this. I do really want to use as many of my higher end items as I can. I really want to have them in my rotation because they're the items that are worth most, especially items that I myself have purchased, but there aren't as many now, so this was PR, like I said. This is at 25 grams as of now, as of the moment that I'm adding it to this project, and I really hope that you guys enjoyed this little update. If you are excited for the springtime, I'd love it if you added a flower emoji in the comments to let me know that you made it to the end of this video, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Be sure to follow me on Instagram via Alexa Likes. We can chit chat on there, and I hope you guys have a great one. See you next month, and see you in a few days. Bye!